Hey, this is Matt with AI Lab Zone, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple drawing into a 3D image using MidJourney. So I'm going to take one of my son's images of a dragon and turn it into a really nice high quality 3D image. So go over to MidJourney, and the first thing that you want to do is to add your drawing to MidJourney. So go ahead and go to the plus button over here, click Upload a File, and select the image that you would like to work off of. So this is the image that my son drew, so I'm going to upload this to MidJourney. So just click Open and then hit Enter. So here's the image. So what I want to do is I want to click on that image, right click, and then click Copy Image Address. Once you copy the address, go ahead and write a new message, \imagine, and then paste that URL of your image. And then after that, utilize a few different descriptive words for what image you would like to create. So in this case, I'm creating a red dragon. So red dragon, and then I'm just going to do a comma and then go dash dash IW space 2.0. So this is going to be the image weight. So this is saying I want this image that I'm posting, whatever you generate, I want it to look in the same, I want it to be in the same kind of design, roughly look kind of the same as the image I'm posting. So it's going to give most of the weight to the image I'm putting in here. So 2.0 is, I believe, the highest that you can do. And then I'm just going to go dash dash V space 5. This is for version 5 of MidJourney, and then I'm going to hit Enter. This is what was generated, so I have 4 different options here. So I'm going to, I kind of like this one, so I already clicked this upgrade number 3. But I also hit this button here because I want to generate another 4 off of my initial image just to see what those look like. So these are the new 4 that were generated. So I kind of liked this 4th one, so I clicked the upgrade number 4. I like it because it has that curved tail that's similar to the drawing that my son created. This was upgraded. So what you want to do after you get this initial image, just click on this, go to copy image address, and what you're going to do is you're just going to do the exact same thing that you did for the first time around. So I'm going to paste this image now, and then I'm going to copy the same text that I've already used. And then I'm also going to add a few other prompts. So I'm also going to say like 4K, 3D, Unreal Engine, HD. You know, these kind of tags will start to improve this image, make it look more and more 3D as I go. And so I'm going to go through this probably another couple of rounds, adding these keywords, trying to refine this image. So I think we're getting closer. So out of these 4, I kind of like this first one. So I upgraded that down here. So I'm just going to do this another time and see if I can get this to be exactly what I want. So imagine, so I still want wings on the dragon, so I'm going to just copy this prompt and then hit Enter to see what that does. So I finally got to this point. Out of these 4, I think this one is probably the winner. I think that one, you know, looks pretty close. I mean, as close as you can make a kid's drawing look like a 3D drawing. But I think this looks really great. I asked my son if he liked it. He said that's exactly what he was thinking about. So I went ahead and upgraded that, and there is the final product. So so again, really the process is just about importing your picture, putting a prompt in. The important thing is putting this IW 2.0 version 5. That way it matches it pretty closely to that original image, and then continue to refine your descriptions. Start with maybe a general broad description, and then continue adding more to get more and more detailed. Things like Unreal Engine, 4K, Pixar, HD, will refine it to become a more like 3D-like image. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive more videos like that. In the comments, let me know, is this helpful to you? Is this something that you're going to use with your kids? Is it going to be something that you use for your own work? Let me know, and I'll see you again next time.